I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
And this morning we're doing a little challenge that was issued by Stacie's Country Cooking. And Stacie tagged us to do it's called 10 Questions for YouTube Cooks. And now Marie, she's the cook on our channel. And so I'm going to let her do most of the questions. And I'll read the questions to you, Marie, and let you do the answers. How's that sound?
I think we both equally cook. So.
Okay. Well, Stacie, thank you for tagging us in this, and we're going to do the best we can to answer them good. Okay, Marie, your first question. What other YouTube channels do you follow?
Well, I like to watch Love Meg. She's in her apron. Chickens by the Lake. Nova Scotia Living, Ma's Family TV, Amy Marion, and New Orleans Garden, and Nicole and Jake, and Tim and Finn, and Home in the Sticks, and Homegrown Country,
Homestead,
and many more, but those were just right off the bat ones I watch a lot.
And my favorite, I like to watch RV travel channels, and I've got probably 10 or 15 that I like to watch, and nothing better than seeing someone out driving, going from one place to another, and seeing all the real pretty scenes.
Yeah.
So that's our favorite. Okay, question number 2. What is your cooking pet peeve?
Well, I have several, but the one that I really don't like is when people taste the food and then other people taste it and then they put the same spoon back in the dish. I don't like that. That's not my favorite. But I don't know. Everybody does it on cooking shows, and I don't know. It's just not my favorite thing.
Okay. Question number 3. Do you measure your ingredients?
That's easy. Yes and no. On bacon, I'm usually pretty precise, but like if I'm making macaroni salad or potato salad or chicken salad, I just put the ingredients in it and to taste.
Well, if you watch me doing cooking videos, you'll know that I just throw everything together. I hardly ever measure anything. Okay, question number 4. What makes your channel different?
Well, our channel is about our life and the things that we do, and some channels are strictly, one thing, or and then there's a lot of channels that are like ours too. But we just do a variety of everything, everyday thing, gardening. Calvin does carpentry. He also does how to repair things, and he does cooking channel, not cooking channels, but cooking recipes. He does all kinds of different things.
And we like to do little trips when we make road trips. We like to do scenic trips, and home repairs.
Our channel is just life.
Okay, question number 5. Where did you learn to cook?
From my mother and my grandmother. I remember making biscuits. She taught me how to make biscuits when I was about 8 years old. And then I learned how to make cakes from my grandmother. And we have a lot of good Southern cooks in our family. And so those were really the 2 that I really learned how to cook from.
Okay. I learned how to cook from Marie. Question number 6. Who is your favorite celebrity chef?
Well, Paula Dean is my favorite person that I like to watch on TV. And to me, she's a chef.
Oh yeah.
Because she's just, I don't know, she's my guru.
Well, for me, someone that I used to really love to watch cook, and he's passed away now, but that was Justin Wilson. And the first time I watched him cook, I got interested in cooking myself, and he was doing homemade chili. And so I went and got all the ingredients, and I made a good homemade chili.
And everybody in the family has really enjoyed it, and we all love your chili.
And I still make homemade chili, and I probably changed it up a little bit from what I originally did it. I never did write the recipe down. I just remembered it in my head and just did it and everything. But I always loved watching Justin Wilson do his little videos, and that was years and years ago. And he'd taste of something, he'd say, "You're gonna like it." He said, "I guarantee it." So some of you older people, they might remember Justin Wilson.
Yeah.
Okay, next question. Have you ever cooked professionally?
No.
That's an easy answer, no.
No.
Okay, question.
I'm just a home cook.
And you're a good home cook. Okay, question number 8. What was your first recipe on your channel?
Well, we had to go back and look because it was back in
2017.
Yeah, and so we seen my first recipe was easy peanut butter cookies, and I still make them today, and they're easy and they're still really good.
And the first video that I cooked was a hot dog casserole.
Yeah, and that was really good.
And we went back and watched that video also. It'll make you, it sort of surprises you when you go back and look at some of your first early videos.
Yeah.
But hopefully we're doing a little better job now. We're doing the best we can.
It really surprised me because I was a lot thinner.
Okay, question number 9. What is your favorite piece of kitchen equipment?
That's easy. It's my slow cooker and our convection toaster oven. Those are the two that really help me out here in Georgia. Everybody knows it's humid in Georgia, and later on the day, no one wants to turn their oven up. We have air conditioning, but when that oven goes on, it still makes the house really warm.
Yeah.
So those are my two favorite.
Yeah, I love the toaster convection oven because we bake chicken in it probably 4 times a week at least. We love using it.
Yeah.
Okay, last question, question number 10. What do you hope that people take away from your channel?
Well, my channel is, and not just my channel, but our channel, is about getting in the kitchen and getting out quick, and it's time saving. It's also easy recipes and inexpensive recipes, and I like to cook, but I don't like to, stay in the kitchen all day long. So I like to be in the kitchen and get my recipes done and out.
So you would say cooking can be fun and easy and inexpensive.
Right.
Okay, that was all the questions. We're probably not going to tag anyone specific for this challenge, but what we will do is we'll leave it as an open tag. We have several people that are real good friends of ours on YouTube, and they do cooking, but their channels are more in the line of gardening and that, and so they may not want to do a cooking challenge, but if any of them want to do this challenge, just feel free to go ahead and do it. We'd love for you to do it, and we'll definitely watch it if you do one of the challenges. So we want to thank Stacie once again for tagging us on this challenge. These were some fun questions, and I enjoyed answering them. How about you, Marae?
Yeah.
I thought it was pretty good. By the way, we're sitting out here in our backyard, and we never did a video out here before. We thought we'd give it a try this morning. It's nice and cool out here, yesterday I think it was 93 degrees, and it was so hot, but then it come a rainstorm last night, cooled everything off. So we're really enjoying it out here right now. And with the clouds out there, we're probably gonna get some more rain here in a few minutes. But thanks everyone for watching this video. We certainly do appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you enjoyed our answers. Marie, you have anything you want to add to this?
Just everyone have a great day, and do what you love and love what you do, and bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.